guys, today we are in Walnut Creek, Ohio, getting ready to head into one of the most popular places to eat in Amish country, the Dutchman. So are you ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's check out the buffet. We have some lettuce, some tomatoes and onions, shredded cheese, some bacon, cucumbers, eggs, some broccoli, some ground up cauliflower. It's different. Carrots, olives and mushrooms, some peas, pickled white beets, banana peppers, and some red beet eggs. There's the dressings. We have some ranch, sweet and sour, French, golden Italian, and blue cheese. Then we have some ham salad, chicken salad, 3-bean salad, broccoli salad, some macaroni salad, and potato salad back here. There's some coleslaw, cottage cheese, got some marinated carrots, glazed fruit, applesauce, and choice pudding. Baker's choice pudding, it says. There you have the croutons and some raisins, some other stuff. Roasted chicken. There you have some sauerkraut, some roast pork, some roast beef, bread pudding, and apple crisp. See what we have on this side. There's some mashed potatoes, some homemade dressing, chicken gravy, beef gravy. There's the good noodles that we like. Green beans, some corn. That's looks like some sausage in there. Some kidney beans. That's probably just baked beans. And this is called Yum Zeti. Never seen that before. Alright guys, let's go over the menu here at the Dutchman. Yes, noodles over mashed potatoes. Roast turkey dinner, that's what you got, wasn't it, Bobby?
Yes.
She wanted a roast turkey because it was not on the buffet. We have a Manhattan, we have a meatloaf dinner. We have a salad bar. There you see the soups and salads. Quite a bit. And here are their sandwiches. We have a Dutchman burger, hamburger, fish sandwich. You get a pork sandwich, a grilled cheese, and trail bologna. There are their dinners. Some different chicken dinners, some chicken tenders, liver and onions, and ham. So I'm going to get ham because ham was not on the buffet. We always get the buffet, guys. So we decided to go with something different. There's your sampler plate. Get 2 meats for $16.99 and all the fixings. Some side dishes. Plenty of those. There's your family style buffet. There's $19.99 with the kids. And if you want the buffet that I just showed you, it is $15.99. Here are all their desserts. We're going to try to save room to get some of these. Plenty of them there. We can't decide which one to get. Maybe this sampler. There are your beverages. Pretty much a lot of stuff here to choose from. Okay guys, I have some fresh rolls here. Nice and soft, nice and hot. So I'm going to split them in half and I'm going to try both things. I'm going to try this apple butter. Put a little on there. See how that is. Oh, look at that. That not look good. Here we go. Roll soft. It's warm. Definitely fresh. Apple butter. Tastes amazing. Go with some peanut butter this time. It says made, I don't know if it's made here, but it's got their name on it. Let's see if it says on the back. It says it's made in Sugar Creek. How's that look, Bobby?
Mm-hmm. You like that peanut butter, don't you?
I do. I know it's going to taste like candy. They all do. Amish Country. It does. It's like eating a piece of chocolate or a piece of peanut butter fudge. Food has arrived, and let's look at that ham with the pineapple glaze all over it. That's your noodles and the cream corn. Now let's check out Bobby's turkey.
When I got all white meat, it was $2 more. Go ahead and
Good
try
gravy.
this.
Yeah, that's a lot of turkey.
It is a lot of turkey, isn't it? Really moist.
I think somebody's on.
Sometimes white meat can be dry. This has got a lot of, it's real moist. You can see there, it's just like flaking. I don't even need the knife.
Yeah, I can see that. Boy, it is flaky.
I like that. The gravy's really good. Try the mashed potatoes.
That looks good too. They said they're homemade mashed potatoes here, not out of the box.
You can tell they're homemade. They're real creamy. And then I got the green beans.
Those look good too.
Flavored really well. It's like there's some butter in the flavoring of them. They did a really good job with them.
So you're happy
this
with
is
it?
a good meal, yeah.
Take one more look. Try this ham with the pineapple glaze. I asked them for that. It wasn't on the menu. Pineapple glaze. They said they had some in the back. Can't wait to tear into this. It's moist. Very flavorful. Love the pineapple glaze. That pineapple glaze really adds to it. I love the noodles.
Yeah, those are one of your favorites.
Probably not good for me, but I have to get it every time.
Yeah, you come to Amish Country, you have to get the noodles.
Wow. Those melt in your mouth. Great flavor. I mean, they literally melt into your mouth. Let's try the corn here. Looks good. That is a great flavor. I usually don't get cream corn, but this tastes better than the regular corn. We decided to get some desserts, even though we don't have room for them. We have the date nut cake. Is that caramel sauce on there, Bobby?
Yes.
And it's supposed to be warm. Have some lemon meringue and black raspberry. Now look at that.
That one's probably your favorite, so I'll let you try that one.
Okay, I'll try it here in a minute. You tear into these.
Okay, lemon meringue. Looks good, doesn't it, with that? It's hard to get meringue to set up. Meringue is nice. I like it. This is real lemony, of course.
Is it tart?
It's good. It's a
Good?
little tart.
Is it?
I've never had date nut cake before, so I wanted to try it. Ooh, spicy. Let me get a bigger piece.
Get a bigger piece. Get some caramel sauce on there. Let me see.
You see any
I can see.
nuts?
it.
There's supposed to be
Nope.
walnuts in there too.
That's right, walnuts. I forgot I had walnuts.
Taste the walnuts. I like the caramel. This is really a good cake. A spice cake. I think you would like that.
And the walnuts too are also on top of the whipped cream. So
Yeah.
Just spread it up. Just taste it too in the cake.
I would get this again.
Let's try black, raspberry. This is how to do it. They give you a half a slice of each thing.
Yeah, this is plenty. That way you could sample them, see if you like it. In fact, it is called a sampler.
How to do it. Crust is flaky. You can really taste the raspberries. Great flavor to them. Good choice.
You would get that one again too.
I would get this one again. Here's the bill from the Dutchman. We have the baked ham with pineapple for $13.99, the white turkey for $16.58, and a dessert sampler for $40.19. We are stuffed. Can't hardly move now. So we just came out of the Dutchman. What did you think, Bobby?
Food was excellent. We didn't get the buffet this time. We got our own meals because what we wanted, I wanted the turkey and he wanted the ham. They weren't on the buffet. But really, if you wanted the best deal, it would have been the buffet.
Yeah, because it was cheaper. It was only like 15 something and your turkey was 16 something.
But I did get all white meat. And that was so tender and juicy. It was good. Good choice though if you don't want the buffet.
Yeah, I tried her turkey. It was great. It was great. The ham was good. I wanted the pineapple glaze. Lady was nice enough to go back and see if they had any, and they did. So they hooked me up on that. But didn't overeat. Maybe so. One good thing about not getting the buffets, didn't overeat. But even though I am still stuffed. And what about the date cake? It was a spice cake.
I did. I like that. I've never had that before. I would get that again. It was probably my favorite out of the 3 desserts that we got. And also I wanted to say that it was very clean in there, wasn't it? Even when you went up to the buffet to see if that's what we were going to get, they were there cleaning and making sure everything was nice and neat. Everybody was really friendly.
And this is the same type of restaurant as Dutch Valley. They actually own each other. And the Berlin Farmstead, I think it's called. The 3 of them are kind of the same. They're a little different just by a tad. Just a little different by the tad, but basically the same menu.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, so until we meet again,
J&B
have left the building.